whilst I was waiting for price to get there, whilst price was moving up towards the fair value gap above, I got to know that if price is going to get to this fair value gap and reject to the downside, take out the liquidities and fill the fair value gap before coming out, then why don't I pick a trade inside the fair value gap to the downside? Why don't I pick a trade inside the fair value gap to the downside before getting to my opportunity? And I knew price was going to get there. Yeah, I knew price was going to get to the opportunity, going to get to my zone, but I did not know when is price going to get there. All I know is that price will be getting there, but what time is price going to get there? When is price going to get there? Do you have the patience to wait for price to get to your zone? I woke up this morning, I turned on my laptop again, I got to know that price already got to my take profit. Like, the trader I was waiting for hit my take profit this morning. Is it even concerning? What's good YouTube? The name is Smiley Vibes, as you already know, and we are back again to my YouTube channel. Yeah. So today is Wednesday and we are live on the market. Yeah. So yesterday we made our analysis but we did not get any trade. Even we got the trade but we were not around, Yeah. We made our analysis, everything was right, everything was on point, but we missed the trade. So today being Wednesday, I'm live with my chart, So I've already made my analysis, so price is almost getting to my zone, getting to my opportunity. So I'm in for buys. I'm going in for buys for today on gold to the previous high. So because next month we have NFP coming in and we have CPI coming in. So we have some resting liquidities below. So I'm hoping next week going, when it gets to NFP or CPI, maybe price is going to clear off all that liquidity where it's resting below, because price has been moving up for I think from Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, still price is moving up. So price still has to come down and to take those buyers who are still in the trade, who are so greedy that they don't want to take out some profit, So I'll hop on the chart right now and I will show you what I got for today's trade, today's trade. So let's hop on the chart. Oh, this dress. So let's hop on the chart and let me explain things to you before price get to the zone. The name is Smiley Vibes, as you already know. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button right here and don't forget to click on the notification bell. And don't forget to click on the like button to keep this community moving. So let's get it. Yeah. So this is the chart right here for Wednesday 25th. Yeah. So I marked out my highs and lows, my previous highs and lows. So this is the previous low over here and this is the previous highs over here. So inside this range we have, when I move to the lower time frame, this candles over here stands as liquidity. People, buyers took buys from here and still in the trade, others took from here or still in the trade, and we have a fair value gap over here. So price came, took out these buys over here and entered a fair value gap. But when I move to the 5-minute time frame, I can see something here at our previous low, which is here. We have these two equal lows down here with a fair value gap which has not yet been tested. So I'm just looking forward if price is going to come down, take out these lows over here and reach into this gap. And if price get to the gap, all that I'm looking for is a market structure shift or a break of structure, then I enter the trade in a fair value gap or in an order block if price comes back down to retest a gap or retest an order block. So that's what I'm looking for. So I woke up around 7 o'clock today. I did not wake up early, so I woke up around 7 o'clock and price was around here, and now still price is still moving slow. So I'm believing and I'm hoping price is definitely going to get down here, and if price get down here, I'm just going to look for my confirmation, then I pick the trade. It's not that the moment price get down here then I'm going to throw myself in the trade. No, I'll just wait to see if I'm going to get a confirmation, either 2 or 3 confirmations before I take the trade to the upside. So it's 1:6. I'll be trading with a 1 minute time frame. So 1:6 risk reward to the previous highs over here. I think I have to add about 10 pips, but I just want to leave it like this. Yeah. So we have, when I come to the 15-minute time frame, we have these lows resting here. We also have this lows resting here and a fair value gap. So maybe price will come here, test the gap, get back up here and reject from here. Then we start moving down again to maybe clear out that lows over there, or maybe we continue moving up. So that's what I'm looking for today. So let's just wait and be patient and see what price is going to do, see what the market is going to give us today. And also I'll share this trade with my free Telegram group. So if you have not joined my free Telegram group, you can just click in the link in the description to join my free Telegram group. We share trades every day apart from Mondays, but from Tuesdays to Fridays we share trades day. Yeah, and we're killing it over there. And if you want to, this is what I was telling you guys about. When you make any trade, when you win any trade, you just get a bonus over here, you get a point. So you can just redeem the point when you don't have any money in your account. Yeah, so that is. So let's wait and see what we get for today. Yeah, so what's good, YouTube? The name is Smiley Vibes, as you already know, and you're back again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so yesterday being Wednesday, I told you guys I'll be trading. Yeah, I told you guys I'll be trading gold and I will be looking for buys on gold. Yeah, so I made all my analysis. I did everything that I was supposed to do, but you know, these ECG people, like, yeah, but you know, these ECG people, these electricity people, they just turned off the lights in the whole community, like in the whole area, and I don't know what's wrong with my router. If I put it on charge for 8 hours or more than 8 hours and I just unplug it from charge, less than 30 minutes and it's off. I don't know, at first it used to keep like 3 hours, 4 hours before it goes off, but this time I don't know what's wrong with this router. So yesterday, after making my analysis, after sitting there, like I sat down more than 6 hours. I sat down for more than 6 hours and price did not get to my zone. So I decided to just take a walk after these people turned off the lights in the community, you know. Yeah, so these people turned off the lights in the whole community, so I decided to just go for a walk around the area just to explore. You know, I can't just be inside whilst there is no light. Yeah, my phone too was low as well. So I was here, the light went off, I went outside, I came back in the evening. Yes, I came back in the evening, I came back, light was there. So what else? Light was there. So immediately the moment I got home, I got to know that yeah, we have light. I turned on my laptop, I turned on my router, I opened my trading view, not knowing price got to my entry. Like, price took the whole day before getting to my entry point, you know. And even after price getting to my entry point, where I placed my alert that when price get there, it shall let me that yeah, price is here. Price even got there, but did not touch the alert. Like I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong. So price got to my opportunity, got to my zone. I was not around because these people turned off the light. Yeah, so I went outside. So I came back, price has already gotten to my Let me make this camera. Why is this thing not working anymore? Yeah. So, fuck it. I don't know why the camera keeps on becoming black. I think I have to. So I don't know why the screen keeps on misbehaving like that. So price got to my zone, price got to my entry, and I missed the trade. 1:6 risk reward, because I was trading with the 1 minute time frame, but all my analysis was made on the 15 minutes and on the 5 minutes. So I was just waiting for price to get to my zone. I was indoors. I'll be here. I'll sit on my chair. I'll wake up, sit on my bed. Like, price took the whole day. Like, price took the whole day before getting to my opportunity, and I knew price was going to get there. Yeah, I knew price was going to get to the opportunity, going to get to my zone, but I did not know when is price going to get there. All I know is that price will be getting there, but what time is price going to get there? When is price going to get there? Do you have the patience to wait for price to get to your zone, to enter the trade, then see what's going to happen? Either it's going to hit your stop loss or you take profit. Like, when? So I said, okay, let me wait. I was here in the morning, my dad went to work, my mom went to work, so I was home alone. Yeah, I was home alone. So I was home alone, just monitoring the chart, just to see how the candlesticks are moving, just to see what's going on. Like, I think so. Let me check the time I made the first video. Like, I made the analysis. Yeah, so the analysis was done. So when the time was 11 o'clock, I made my analysis around 11 o'clock, 10:58 that was. Yeah, so I was here 11 o'clock just waiting for price to get to my zone, maybe during the New York session. So during the New York session, I was here, I was having light here. So we had a fair value gap at the top. So price was finding it difficult to break to the downside to enter my opportunity, but I got to realize that we have a fair value gap at the top which has not yet been filled. So maybe price will fill that gap before coming to take out the liquidities that I marked out below and fill inside that fair value gap. So I was waiting for price to get there, but I did a mistake. Whilst I was waiting for price to get there, whilst price was moving up towards the fair value gap above, I got to know that if price is going to get to this fair value gap and reject to the downside, take out the liquidities and fill the fair value gap before coming out, then why don't I pick a trade inside the fair value gap to the downside? Why don't I pick a trade inside the fair value gap to the downside to my entry point? Then when price get there, then I pick another trade to my take profit. So that was the plan. That was the whole concept that I decided to work on. So price moved slow, and price got there. So after price getting there, the moment price got to the gap, the moment price got to the the moment price got to the gap, I just waited for some time and I took my sell trade. So I took the sell trade. I was just looking at this candle, this thing. Are you going to move down straight forward, or are you going to do some cockroach walkings and before you get there? So I was just looking at the chart. I took the entry from the fair value gap. Won't price reject? Oh, price, you keep on going up. So because I knew that fair value gap was going to reject, I really placed my stop loss really tight, like really tight. I think about 30 pips stop loss, yes, really tight. So price came, took me out of the trade. I said, what? Are you going to go up? Are you going to go down? Okay, let's see. Because I have 2 trades a day. So I got hit by the stop loss for the first one, and I took another sell trade again for the same place. I took another sell trade. That one I did not set any stop loss. I said, hey, Masa, you are going to go today. Today, if you like or not, you will go. Yes, sir. I took the trade with no stop loss, with no take profit. So I just went full margin because the account was small. Because I think I made $10 deposits for that. Yeah. So I said, okay, you this trade, are you going to get there? So I took the second trade, then price came up again and took all my account. So price took all my account. So I was here after price taking my account, blowing my account. These people took their light and I went outside. So I have no money in my account. I can make another deposit for my real entry bar because there was no light here. My phone was low. I have no other thing to do just to head outside because I don't want to go to the town. That place I don't really feel there nowadays. So I just wanted to be indoors and see what price was doing. So I was just moving around the community just to feel comfortable, just not to feel bored, Yeah. So in the evening when I came back around 7, 8 o'clock, I got to know that price got to my entry, but I did not hit my alert. But price got to my entry was right inside the zone. Price was right inside the zone. And the moment price got inside the zone, boom, like price started moving up. So price started moving up to the fair value gap that I took my sell trade from. Wow, see, like look at how price is like. Look at how price is. So my entry was here. So that's what happened. So I missed the trade again. I missed the trade. So I've been losing trade. No, the problem is not my analysis. The problem is not my setup. The problem is me. Now I know I'm the problem. I'm the real problem. Yeah, because I'll have this mindset that I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do that. But because I want to catch some move, to catch my move, I want to catch some move, to catch my move. And that move that I want to catch my move, that first catch is going to get me down. It's going to get me in a whole lot of losses. And by the time price gets to my real catch, I will not have anything left in my account. So most of the time, I'm at fault. Yeah. So now, after making my analysis, either I'm right, either I'm wrong, either I'm mid, I'm just going to close everything. And when I'm setting my alert, when I'm setting my limit, I'll set it 5 pips, like 5 pips upward or 5 pips downward. Yeah, if I'm setting my entry, like if I'm not going to be around, I just want to set an entry. If my price is going to be at if my entry is going to be at 111, I'll set my entry at 100. Yes, because most of the time price gets to my entry and does not fill my orders because of the spread. So because of that, I just have to bring my entry up a bit. Then price is going to trigger me inside the trade. So that's it. So if these people did not take their light and if I did not rush to enter the first catch, because the first catch was somewhere here. So I took my sell here to here. Price came up, took out my stop loss, came down before moving up. So that even I did not even edit the video. I'm now going to sit down, edit these videos and upload it. I'm really feeling sick. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can click on the subscribe button. And do not forget to comment down below. And do not forget to click on the notification bell. It's really going to help. It's really going to help a lot. So let's get it. So today, I don't think today I have any setup. I don't, because I woke up this morning, I turned on my laptop again, I got to know that price already got to my take profit. Like the trader I was waiting for hit my take profit this morning. Is it concerning?